In the last video, we looked at the 5 steps of the LPA process. We mentioned that 1 in 11 LPA applications is returned by the OPG, mostly for avoidable errors. This video is about making sure yours is not one of them. The LP1F is the Property and Financial Affairs LPA form. It covers everything to do with money and property, bank accounts, bills, pensions, and buying or selling a home. Once you have completed the form, before you sign anything and before you post anything, use the CarersInfo LP1F checker. Here is how it works. The checker walks you through every section of the LP1 form, one section at a time. For each section, it tells you exactly what to check, what the common mistakes are, and what a correct entry looks like. It flags the sections that most often cause applications to be returned, including Instructions and Preferences section, Certificate Provider section, and the Signatures and Dates section. The checker is designed as a guide. It is there to help you review your form, not to collect your information. Now, the most important thing to remember: do not sign the form until you have been through the checker. Once signatures are in the wrong place or the wrong person signs at the wrong time, the form is void. You cannot correct it. You have to start again. The checker takes a few minutes. Starting again takes months. You have already done the hard work, choosing your attorney, completing the form, gathering the information. The LP1F checker is the final check before it leaves your hands. Find it at carersInfo.com/LP1F-checker.html. In the next video, we look at the LP1H checker, the Health and Welfare LPA, and how to use it.